Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower door hinge in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a wooden block and a 5/16 inch socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower door hinge. The lower door hinge is located at the bottom of the refrigerator door and allows it to open and close smoothly. The lower door hinge should be replaced if it's worn out and prevents the door from operating properly. Using the wooden block, trim up the door. Then, using the 5/16 inch socket wrench, take two screws out and remove the lower hinge. Be careful not to lose the spacer and the bushing. Take the bushing from the old hinge. This is the old lower door hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the bushing on the new hinge and then mount the hinge on. Make sure the spacer is in place, match the mounting holes, and then using the socket wrench, secure the new hinge with the two 5/16 inch screws. Remove the wooden block and check if the door is opening and closing properly. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.